Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video of Ghost Project. We are here with Javier in his C7 that he just bought. Literally has 2,000 miles on this thing. And right here we got my C6 Corvette. What do you think we're gonna do? It's a 2014 and this is a 2008. 153,000 miles. 153,000 miles on this puppy right here. This one has like 2,000 miles. Barely even used, honestly. And it's a 2014. And he brought it over. And you can probably guess what we're gonna do. This car shouldn't have a chance on this race, but we took them out for a race, and you might be surprised. You might be surprised with the outcome. Not gonna lie to you. You might be surprised. We already raced them, and it was hella fun. Of course, we went to Mexico to race. Of course. That's the only place we go. It was in Mexico, but look at this thing right here. Look at this thing.
¡Qué perro más loco!
Yo no sé cómo le dio por subirse acá arriba. Dale, quita.
Loquito. Se le está cayendo, eso es lo bueno.
My dog just tried to get on top of my Corvette. Estaba loco. The dog literally just tried to get on top of the Corvette. You recorded that, Fabio?
No, I almost did.
He literally tried to get on top of the Corvette. Literally, both, 4 paws on top of the Corvette. I recorded it, yeah, I recorded it. This man, yes. Lo grabé. I just recorded that.
It's coming off.
Well, yeah, but it's still gonna be there. The scratch is still gonna be there.
But we have a little polish thing.
Oh my God. Te da un ataque. Imagine if he did it on this.
He was about to.
He's gonna get a heart attack. He's gonna get a heart attack. My dog loves cars. Look at him. Look at him. All right, so like I said, we raced both of them. You're gonna be surprised with the results. But first, just take a look at this real quick so you can see it.
Look at the inside, look at the interior.
Look at the interior. Stingray, Corvette Stingray. Yeah, the interior is a big difference. Also, this transmission, this is an 8-speed, and that's a 6-speed transmission, which that would definitely make a huge difference in this car. And the engine, I don't know what. ¿Dónde se abre la? Where do you open the front?
What?
¿Dónde se abre el capó?
Ahí abajo, ahí mismo. Mete la mano, Fabio, ahí, un poquito adentro. Adentro por left side.
Está bien, así.
Yeah, en el costado, ¿dónde está? All right,
we're a little bit lost with this part.
yeah.
That's the thing, it doesn't have a speck of dust.
Look at this.
The original tags are still on
This
it.
engine is literally brand spanking new. Like this car has barely even been driven. ¿Cuántas millas tiene? Como 3,000, 2,000.
Tiene 3,899.
And this is old.
3,800
He got it.
miles.
He hasn't washed it since he got it.
3,800 miles, and this thing hasn't even been washed, by the way. So look at that engine. You can literally tell that it's brand new. And then this one has 153,000 miles. All right, guys. So let's take them out to Mexico and see how they do. I'm telling you, you're gonna be surprised with the results. So stay until the end of the video so you can see how this thing goes. también estaba en automático. Me dio tiempo nada. What's up?
Tiene calentones.
¿Qué pasó?
Toda la tuerca al niño.
¿Qué pasó?
No.
Oye,
Ese Corvette pesa. Con cojones, ¿viste?
¿tú viste cómo se mantuvo esta mierda?
Duro.
¿Viste cómo se mantuvo? You saw that? He kept up pretty freaking good. Like it was, hey, is it me? Or it was catching up, right? I think it was catching up. Yo creo que él estaba poco a poco se estaba acercando, ¿eh? Se estaba acercando, se estaba acercando poco a poco. ¿Eh, Fabio?
No.
150
Esto es una
millas.
cosa, pero aquello es otra cosa.
¿De verdad?
Esto es una cosa y aquello es otra cosa.
Pero, ¿sabes que nos estábamos acercando ustedes?
Sí.
We were catching up.
Pero no había una línea recta.
No había línea recta, sí.
Siempre muchos carros.
We were
Dude,
catching
we gotta
up,
go to
bro.
a drag slip that Francisco goes to.
Ya. Mira, espere.
I told him
Hey.
Hay un momento que aceleró que...
Ey. Ey, pero si quieres podemos traerla a la pista de carrera que queda aquí cerquita de aquí. Sí, con
Dice
la,
Fabio que hay una pista...
Derrapa la goma.
en la pista de carrera podemos llevarlo y podemos
A ver qué
correr en la
sale.
pista de carrera.
Esto nunca derrapaba la
A veces
goma.
se agarra.
This swing was burning out where we because
Yeah,
I
this
ran
thing,
it.
it broke
And that
loose.
one wouldn't just, it would just.
Cuando hicimos
A ver,
el chiquitico
te
ese,
grabaste.
cuando hicimos el chiquitico ese, this thing broke loose. Este empezó a derrapar ahí.
No, se parece a lo otro.
¿Viste cómo se parece? They're actually very similar. Look, LS3 though. And they, oh, you already lowered the hood. ¿Eh?
Este es lo que tiene más agrego, ¿ves? Esto lo pusieron adelante aquel y esto
And
le
this
quedó
sounds so
otra vez.
aggressive. Whenever you're behind this thing, where we're going, where we hit the gas and you're behind this thing, it's way too aggressive. Like, just ask him.
It's loud.
It's this-
¿Suena duro el carro? ¿Suena alto?
Sí, durísimo.
It sounds loud?
Whenever you're outside behind
lo
it, you hit the
aceleró.
gas. It sounds like it disturbs your ears.
¿Qué es eso?
Está chequeándolo. So there you guys have it. You see, like, it was pretty incredible how well the C6 kept up to this C7, which it's a brand new car, basically. Well, my car is 2008. This is the 2014. There's a big difference between these two cars, and the mileage is also insane. 153,000. This is literally 150,000 miles difference between these two cars, and my car still holds up that power. It's just insane how well Chevy built these engines, man. I gotta say. So I'm very impressed with my car. I'm very happy with my car. Even though we lost the race, I don't care. It was a very, very nice race. I already knew I was gonna lose it anyways. So I don't care. But there you have it. I mean, I always wanted to know how much of a difference is there between this car and my car, you know? Or a modern car between my car, which is pretty old. And it's not that big of a difference, honestly. It's pretty good. And then you guys, of course, stay tuned because
Drag slip coming up next.
oh yes, coming up next, we're gonna take it to the drag slip, and we're gonna do some drag racing on this, either quarter mile or 1/8, because I think the quarter mile track here they're closest, so that's gonna be probably the 1/8. Big plans for that Corvette. It's gonna be an amazing build, and I can't freaking wait for it. It's gonna take some time and some money, but it will be definitely worth it. So stay tuned for that, guys. Well, there you have it. This is a quick video. I hope you enjoyed today's video very much. Give a like if you liked the video, and remember to subscribe. We already reached 1,000 subscribers. That's freaking amazing. I am extremely happy. Thank you very much to all of you guys. But if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. We still cannot monetize our videos because we need watch time, we need views. Share this video with your friends if you liked it. Tell everybody about Ghost Projects because we're gonna go big. You all have a wonderful day. You have something to say, little man? You have something to say?
Yes.
Say. See you guys on the next one.
See you guys in the next one. And this one won.
And this one. All right, see you guys. You have a good day.